Welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for joining me. And it's a bit dark. Anyways, so Renaldo Cephas is back at it again. So they played against Dinamo Zagreb today. That's FC Shkupi in the second round of the Champions League playoff. Guys, before I get into the details and show you the video of Renaldo Cephas goal, really appreciate it if you guys smash the like button and also hit that subscribe button. Most definitely, as I said, would really appreciate it if you do so. Now, we all know the situation surrounding Renaldo Cephas. I expected him to start in this game. It didn't start. Unfortunately, he came on late, about the 85th minute in that region, and he scored on about the 88 or 89 minutes. So he got something like a super sub type of thing, people. And I'm telling you, it was quite good. It was quite good to see. So let me go straight over. So this is a quick update. This won't be a long video. Let me see if I can bring it across so you guys can see what happened. Let's go. As you can see, actually in the 88th minute, as I said. Ball pass over the top. One time, as you can see, we all know that he has that speed and that one-time chip. So we all know that he has that speed, as you can see here. No, it is very intelligent of him to really. I just look at this part right here. He actually predicted, and he saw that his teammate was going to win the ball, and he predicted the trajectory of the ball. And once the ball leaped over, he knew for a fact that he's quicker than the defender. And the defender was flat-footed, that defender right here. Really flat-footed. But Renaldo Cephas saw the opportunity and just run straight into the channel. Now, at this point in time, I strongly believe that the keeper shouldn't be here. The keeper shouldn't be here because the defender is close by. And you have no reason to be really... maybe the keeper panicked. I think the keeper panicked. And he ran out quick. One touch here, one touch. Really, really good finish here, people. That's a very, very good finish by Cephas. Let's get another handle on that one. See if we can get another handle, I should say. Good. This is the handle. Yeah, this is the angle that I want to see. Good. So he's looking at the ball, eyes on the ball, defender a bit flat-footed. If I was the coach, that defender would have to be penalized for that. Ball escaping through the channel. Cephas there. Lovely one-touch finish from Cephas. That's really, really good to see, people. And most definitely, you can see that is his quality on this play. Anyways, people, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. As you know, really appreciate it if you guys do so. And share the video. Let other people, specifically Onyx Garden fans, people who support some of the JPL players, let them see what's happening with the players. We really wanted to get specifically Cephas. He's a player, he's a unique type of player. Let's get him known by Jamaica and also the Jamaican diaspora. Let's get his profile out there, people. So share the video as much as you can. If you can share to your WhatsApp group and anything like that, do it, people. Do it. This player is a unique player. He's 21 years old, people. He's 21 years old and he's doing stuff. He's making big moves, people. So big up, people. Thank you very much for tuning in. Until next time, I'll see you guys again. Big up Cephas. Big up Cephas. As you know, that goal secured him. Actually secure. Let me give you a bit of detail on that goal. On that. Let me give you a bit of detail. Because I didn't really put it into context. So Renaldo Cephas coming off the bench as a super sub today to score the equalizer for Shkupi FC away from home in the Champions League playoff versus Dinamo Zagreb. On the 88th minute, that's where it scored. Came on the 85th minute. Team was losing at that particular point in time 2-1. So well done, Renaldo Cephas. Big up, people. I'll see you guys again. We are out, people. Boom.